Okay, so here I have Jack, who's traveling east at 8 meters per second, and when he collides with Jill, who's initially at rest, so her initial velocity is 0 meters per second, he's traveling northeast at an angle of 34 degrees. He's traveling at 5 meters per second. They have different velocities. You know that it's an elastic collision. And so because of this angle, you have to break this up into x and y components. And so it's basically this equation, except everything is in the x component. Okay, so now we do the same thing for the y direction. Because initially Jack is only traveling in the x direction, this whole thing goes to 0. And then because Jill was initially at rest, her velocity initially is 0 as well. Okay, so now that we have our velocities both in the y and x direction for Jill, we can find the degree of that by doing the tan inverse. Now to find the magnitude, this comes out to be, so when we look back at our drawing, Jack is traveling at 5 meters per second at an angle of 34 degrees, while Jill is now traveling south of east at 36 degrees at 5.46 meters per second.